Why you should consider investing in Uptown Modern. If you're worried about the oversupply of condos in Metro Manila, this project will give us enough time to cope up with the supply and demand, which will be balanced after 3 years. And Uptown Modern will be ready by 2031, which is 6 years away. Plus, the demand is always present in areas like BGC and Makati. If you're looking for a good location and investment opportunity, BGC and luxury properties like Uptown Modern will be one of the best choices since this market holds value. Here's my recommended 3-bedroom unit in Uptown Modern. Located on the 53rd floor, this is the current highest 3-bedroom unit I can offer. Here's the unit layout for the 123 square meter 3-bedroom. This is perfect if you're considering to live in BGC in the future. Here, you will be facing west with the sunset and view of Makati skyline. We offer no down payment, 6 years to pay with 0% interest, 88K per month with 2.4 million annual lump sum. Bank financing starts at 2031. Price for this unit is 53 million. Inquire now.